Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got a 2014 Wrangler JKU that I'm going to start my video series of all the stuff I'm doing. The first one is going to be a quick and dirty video on how to remove the grill. It is held in place by 6 plastic little push-pull tabs. And how you got to remove them is you need a special tool or screwdriver. You got to pull the top out, not completely out, but then slide it out. It's really simple. This job will take you about 5 minutes to get the grill off. You'll need to get the grill off if you're going to do something silly like put an Angry Eyes grill on, but you'll definitely need to remove the grill if you're replacing the radiator. But on the second half, I changed to a metal tool, but it actually wasn't as good as the plastic one, believe it or not. I kind of struggled with it. So now that the grill is loose, you want to remove your signal lights. I got aftermarket lights. So disconnect electrical, and then at the bottom of the grill, there's going to be a square 2 bar, and there's a bunch of clips in there. So you got to grab the grill at the bottom and then pull those clips back. If you don't have a winch on, it's easier. Then once you pull all the clips back, you can slide it out. And if you look closely in the video, you'll be able to see the actual clips. But now I'm going to zoom in to the bar where you can kind of see the clip hole. So that was a quick and dirty, easy video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you in the next one.